after leaving Punjab FC, you've decided to just focus on your academy, and you've decided to focus on age 6 to 10, if I'm correct, right? Six,
Actually, starting from the age of 5, in fact, yeah.
5 to 10. And you call this your World Cup batch of 2034 because that's your goal.
I'm 38. So what we are doing is we are aiming. See, I don't like aiming for qualifying and playing for participation certificates. Okay.
Yeah.
So there's an aim for qualifying and there's an aim for winning. So they're not far away from each other. But the point is that if the top 16 teams in the world or 32 teams in the world will not be much different from each other, as you can see in the world football.
Yeah.
Now, how do we get them there? So now see, you have to see, suppose in 2034 the World Cup is there, you should have qualified for the World Cup by 2032. So 2032 वाले लड़के इस टाइम के कितने साल के उस टाइम जो हमने अब लिए हैं, जो 8 साल का लड़का है, 2032 में जाके he'll be at least 22, 23.
Yeah.
That is the core strength of your team between 19 and 22. You want your average age of your team to be 23, 24 when they go for the World Cup. Average age. Yes, you supplement it by a couple of seniors, but your average age should be 23, 24.
Yeah.
If you want to do really well. Now imagine these 23, 24 years since the age of 6 have been going every single year and whooping the fucking ass of the best teams in the world. Why won't we qualify?
True.
So it's just about making sure they believe from that age, making them say that, okay, you joined football at 12, 13, and by the age you're 12, with people in the European leagues, I mean, not leagues, the kids there in 12, 13 are really, really good, man. Now you come and see my 6-year-olds. They've been with me for 1.5 years now. 1 year. The 6-year-olds now 7, and the 5 ones are 6. They've been with me for 1 year, just 1 year yet. They're already beating school kids who are in class 9 and 10. They're already beating them. Normal school team. Why? Because they have been taught from day one. It's got nothing to do with size. It's got nothing to do with this. It's just about being better with the ball on your feet. So how do we? It's not about I tell the other team that be soft on them. I tell them to be as hard, because I tell my team that they can't foul you when you don't have the ball. So they are into the habit of making sure before the guy comes to them, they pass the ball in the first touch so much that nobody can even touch them. So before the person can move, they are already in your half and they have got a scoring chance.
Yeah.
And imagine this happening on a daily basis for 10 years. So if I believe that if I do this, if I did it for 2 years in a row, and we were able to beat the under-17 Indian World Cup team.
Nice.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, and we were just babies then. Imagine if we do the same thing since the age of 16. Why not? Now, again, now they say, India has this problem. We don't have genes, to be sports people. I said, what genes? Power and stamina. But the only bloody medals we get in world championships are either in weightlifting or in wrestling or in boxing. और किसी में तो मिलता नहीं हमारे को. इसी में तो मिलता है. Okay, then they say, नहीं यार, पैसा चाहिए होता तो ब्राजील वर्ल्ड चैंपियन ना होता 6 बारी 5 बारी. ठीक है, अच्छा पैसा नहीं मिलता. चलो यार, हमारे पास we need world class facilities to produce international footballers. No, you don't. Minerva has produced 73 without having shit. Okay, we have won titles junior and senior without having any money. So everything is possible. It's just the attitude which needs to change. Okay, then they say, nahi yaar, some countries are too far ahead. Okay, let's see. 6 years ago, 10 years ago, we were getting thrashed by Germany in hockey 5-0. 6-0. 10 years ago, we had reached that stage.
Yeah.
We are beating Germany 3-0, 2-0 nowadays.
Yeah.
We're beating Holland. Now, just see the countries in Holland, South Korea, Japan, Argentina, England. I have just named the countries which are very good in hockey. Not football, hockey.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
So if you do that in hockey, what makes you say we can't do the same thing in football? What is different in football and hockey? Stamina? No. Speed? No. Skill? No. Then they have a stick. You have to use your feet. Come on, man.
True.
You understand? All the logic of these guys are put to test and destroyed. We
Yeah.
can be there. We just need the belief and people, right people to be there running football in India.
Brilliant. So